TryAdaptLearn. In this video, we will be changing the screen on an HP Pavilion gaming laptop. The laptop screen measures 15 inches with a resolution of 1080p or 1920 by 1080 pixels. We will begin by prying away at the laptop bezel, which will give us access to the screws holding the screen in place. As seen, the bezel is plastic. It has an adhesive backing and is surrounded by electronics such as the web camera, so caution must be taken while removing it. During the process of removing the bezel, allowed access to remove the screws that hold the laptop screen in place. With the laptop screen unscrewed and flipped over, we can uninstall the video cable connected to the screen. Both cardboard and foam were placed down to protect the front of the new laptop screen. The video cable was reinstalled and a small piece of clear packing tape was used to help keep the connector in place. The laptop screen was flipped over and foam was kept on the front of the new screen while reinstalling the screws. Once the screws were reinstalled, the foam was taken away and the plastic bezel carefully snapped back into place over the edge of the screen. Thank you very much. I had a great time making this video and I hope you did watching it. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now and click the bell.